Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Today we're exploring a key market in Latin America, Colombia. Colombia presents a unique and powerful opportunity for medtech companies, but only if you understand its dual system approach to device registration, managed by its regulatory body, INVIMA. For savvy companies, Colombia's system is not a hurdle, but a strategic gateway to the entire continent. The big opportunity lies in what is known as automatic registration. For Class 1 and 2A, or low to moderate risk, devices, this means that if your technical dossier is complete and correctly prepared, INVIMA grants approval upon submission without a lengthy substantive review process. Imagine launching your Class 1 diagnostic kits or Class 2A surgical tools into the Colombian market in a fraction of the time it takes in other major markets. This allows for rapid market entry and, crucially, faster revenue generation. However, automatic does not mean unregulated. A frequent mistake is submitting an incomplete or poorly adapted technical file, which leads to rejection and defeats the purpose of the expedited pathway. Your submission, including all necessary local representation documents and technical information, must be flawless from the start. On the other end of the spectrum are the high-risk Class 2B and Class 3 devices. Think of cardiovascular stents, joint replacements, or complex diagnostic software. These products require a full, rigorous pre-approval process by INVIMA. This involves a deep, substantive review of your technical and clinical data, and the timeline can stretch from many months to over a year. Here is where the real strategy comes into play. Consider a real-world scenario we have seen. An EU-based scale-up had a portfolio with both Class 2A patient monitoring devices and a new Class 3 AI-driven surgical navigation system. Instead of waiting to launch everything at once, they focused on the automatic registration for their Class 2A devices. They secured market access and began generating sales within months. This early revenue stream and established local presence helped fund the more expensive and lengthy registration process for their Class 3 system. By the time the high-risk device was approved, they already had a trained sales team, established distribution channels, and brand recognition in the market. This staggered approach de-risks the entire LATAM expansion effort. Navigating this dual-track system requires deep local expertise. Understanding the nuances between a fast-track submission and a complex pre-market approval is the key to unlocking the full potential of the Colombian market. For expert guidance on navigating INVIMA's requirements and building your LATAM market entry strategy, you can email or visit the team at Chen-Global.